True Jamaican Vibes Fire Week. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in the Westmoreland area. I am at a place what I'm calling Bada. The Bada St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. So this is where you get the best fried fish and bami. So anybody that come from the Savlamar area, also the Black River area, you know so not always pass here so we can get the fried fish and bami. I know so after Hurricane Melissa, this place was damaged, so me are giving an update going on. Pick up on yourself anyway now watch from here and abroad. One love, one heart. Yeah man, see it there? Yeah man, so giving a walk through and I realize say all of the style them did blow down. Morning mommy. Yeah man, all of the style them blow down and things so them kinda renovate the place and the place still up and running same way so yeah man, see it? I try to catch one of them name there, you know? So we can see what I go on. Man, see the name them there. So when you come around here so you know different type of shops. Yeah man. Different type of shop. Yeah man, see. Mass P. Yeah man, Mass P. Soup stop so you come on Mass P same way. Yeah man, and get the soup. So you think set, you know? Yeah man, they may call all lag hood. Yeah man, so you see it? Need to stop at Bada, Carrying Fish Stop. Yeah man, going along the way. Yeah man, see it there. I give you a front view first. You know if you're lucky today, we can find somebody to talk to and show them what I go on. Yeah man, see it there. Yeah man, we love Jamaica, you know, so we do it in Jamaica and we tour different places and show our go on a beautiful Jamaica. We are go out and about. Yeah man. See this so? That side we come from St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth and down that side there, Westmoreland side. Yeah man. So big up, you see it? Jeffrey Soup Shop. Yeah man, the Kung Soup. When me a pass so me always get me Kung Soup. Always. Yeah man. And so how early you ready at morning time? Early. I say soup ready right now. Yeah man, I want you line up one for me, you know. Right now. As me there, so line up one for me right away same way. So we there Jeffrey Soup Stop. I will get me Kung Soup, so you know say Kung good for the body, you know. For the meal, let me want some performance and need to come get to the Kung Soup and thing, you know. And the real fish tea same way. Yeah man. Same way. Yeah man. So what's that soup here, boss? You want that soup? Yeah man, cheer them here. Yeah man, so I get some soup this morning. Right at Jeffrey Soup shop, you know. Yeah man, you there, you know? Yeah man, see soup here. Ready. Fish tail like our doctor soup, you know. Yeah man, see it there. Yeah man, so yeah man, see it. So my eyes are yours are here, same way. The people, big up on yourself once again, you know, man. Yo, we can't stop big on up. Cheer them here.
once we touch road enough people and not normal. Yeah man, I see
See,
the
great bird down here, you know.
Yeah man, it's a great link up, you know.
You know, say,
TikTok and YouTube and link up. I don't know things.
yeah, man. Big up on yourself,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, man. See it here. Yeah, man. Soup ready. Fish tail soup ready. Man, the boss, I enjoy the soup. What you say soup taste, man? Yeah, man. One bar than my eyes are yours, you know? Yes, man. TikToker. So anything, go over and page and subscribe, you know? Yeah, man. There's some great content over there and real Jamaican thing. I don't know the real vibes are going on in Jamaica, yeah, so my eyes are yours same way to Jamaica. Yeah, man, we're there one of the famous places where them call him Barda. Yeah, man, Barda, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Best lobster, fried fish, bami. The top boy, yeah, so number one stop, man. Right on the Barda, you know? Yeah, man, right on the Barda. So I enjoy the fish, man. Know on yourself. Enjoy the soup and everything, same way. Yeah, man, see it? Yeah, man. Thing ready. Yeah, man. So I take a walk, go up on the water side there, you know? So we can go up on the water side. Yeah, man. So I don't know. We talk about Barda, yeah, so the place to be. Nice place in Jamaica, man. Nice place, you know? Manners, boss. Yeah. I love the water, you know, so I show the water where I go on, you know? Morning, boss. Yeah, man, so some fresh bami ready and everything. So it's an early morning thing, so you know, say you get up early. It's just an early morning thing. So come later on the day, you have everything up and running. Fish, everything. Yeah, I love when they set up a place nice. Place set up nice and cozy. Very, very nice and cozy, man. So big up on yourself anyway now watch from Yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. As we say, a tour Jamaica. Show no what the place is like, what it look like after Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, you know, as a Jamaican, we talk about fireside. Yeah, man. So you have a rock stone and you have your, so the arches. Yeah, man. Because, yeah, man. So this is also a good fertilizer for your crops. Yeah, man. It's a the lagwood. Yeah, man. The lagwood this year. Yeah, man. I say things set, you know. Yeah, man. A great work of art right there. Yeah, man. You see the man drinking jelly. The Rasta man with two fish, but that's a parrot fish. I can tell by the color right there. There's a parrot fish right there. The man are drinking jelly coconut. Yeah, man. So this is what it look like in this area after Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, man. And Mark, you know, when you come about the same way, a lot of people feel like only fish then do a border. So you can come. Now let me go tell them, see me tell you all the fish ain't do a bother. So they can come over here so same way and get on the jerk chicken and little pork too. Yeah man, so they can come over here. So what your name again? Anselin. Yeah man, so they can come here so and get on the jerk chicken and jerk pork. Big up say boss, I don't know if you love the camera, but I highlight the thing same way, you know? Refreshment. I don't do no red stripe behind everything same way. Yeah man, so they can. Okay, you know, say after Hurricane Melissa, you know, say a lot of people face a lot of things. So here's the name Bar Chill Spot. So they can come right here, so jerk chicken and jerk pork. Yeah, man, and don't know, so the boss are line up in cool and everything. And the steam fish and everything. Yeah, man, catch a cold pot the boss, you don't know, say a real Jamaican style. Yeah, man, I clean them and clean up, you know, so you don't know, you have to clean up the thing same way. It's an early morning thing. But you feel like like heat that come off the door. Cold. Yeah, man. So don't know. We'll stop right here so I'm getting a jerk chicken and a jerk pork. Don't know. With a steamed fish and lobster. Yeah, man. One love and one heart. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, man. I don't know. Okay, and check out the thing by YouTube, see when a fire raid. I mean, I tell you, say, you may feel like you don't have nothing for but that I go right here, and people will stop here and check out. So, Marcia, anybody at all that come from America, Canada, you need to stop here and get in a jerk chicken right at the place here, so a border chill spot, yeah, man. Right here. So, big up yourself here, manners and respect. All right. Yeah, man, I want to reach that side of the mark, Westmoreland. Yeah, man, the side of the mark, Westmoreland. See, sign right there, so. Westmoreland. Over there somewhere I reach, you know? Right there. Yeah, man, I cross a little bridge, so a lot of people can skate that little bridge, you know. You know, so I never look over here, see, man, so I go on. Yeah, we always pass right here, so we never get a chance to look at them places yet, you know. Yeah, real Jamaican style, man. We are tour the place and show no what I go on. It's all about Jamaica liberty and the way how we move around in Jamaica. Tash hotspot, Fry Bommy. Yeah, man, see them there? Yeah, man, I'm done tell us I sign me a chair for reach Westmoreland. Yeah, man, reach right to the sign, is it? Westmoreland and Kitchener. Now, look at me people. Look at me people. Look at this, you know. I show you what I go on. This is chick teeth, you know. Right? But that Westmoreland now, right? Look on this, you know. But that Westmoreland. And look here, I step back over here, so. Guess who spot me there? Me there in a St. Elizabeth. So this means you're the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth people. So I saw the thing set. Yeah, man. So yes, people, always remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. And thank you all for the support. And if it wasn't for you, this channel would not be growing. And we keep you all up to date what take place all over in Jamaica. What beautiful island. I will know, I love Jamaica. And I not stop love it same. No matter what I go on. Yes, I feel me stamping ground. Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. Also in Manchester. One love me people.